When the pressure is on, the juices start flowing for quick results. The pressure cooker traps steam inside to raise the cooking temperature and produce a meal in minutes. The technology has been around for centuries, but was only adapted for household use in the 1930s, when the concept really picked up steam. Modern pressure cookers have new lid locking technology and safety features, keeping it on the front burner in the kitchen gadget department. A pressure cooker starts with this stainless steel disc. A dip of some lubricant will aid the forming process as equipment pushes the disc over a pot-shaped die. That flat disc is now a nicely rounded pot. Next, this punch cutter moves in to make notches in the pot's rim. These notches will interlock with the pressure cooker lid, allowing it to hold up tight against steam pressure. Next, they submerge aluminum discs in a liquid mix of aluminum and silicon to give them an even coating. While the disc is still damp, they arrange it on the bottom of the pot, then set a stainless steel disc on top of it. A turntable delivers the pot to an element that's heated to more than 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat activates the aluminum and silicon solution to fuse the discs to the bottom of the pot. Then it's into a cooling tank where the pots float towards the next station. There, two blades shave away the ragged edges of the fused layers on the bottom of the pot. It creates a cosmetic beveled effect. That layer of aluminum sandwiched between the steel will improve the pot's heat conductivity. And now it's time for some grit and polish. In this special chamber, sanding and buffing tools add luster to the pots. The pressure cooker pot then takes a trip through a washing station to clean off the sanding residue. And now it's ready for the crowning touch, the lid. It takes 6 pressing operations to shape it completely. The holes at the center are for the pressure cooker's 2 safety valves. To install the main valve, they align a retaining ring with the lid's larger hole, then pop the spring valve into that hole. An automated device underneath tightly screws it into place. The backup valve goes in the smaller hole. These 2 valves are crucial. They'll release excess steam to avert an explosion. A rubber ring creates an airtight seal with the pot. They test the valves and check the sealing ring, along with the lid's closing mechanism. This plastic cooking guide encircles the main safety valve, but doesn't impede its function. They weld several bolts into the pot on either side. They leave a bit of space between the bolt heads and the pot. This allows them to install the brackets for the handles. They torque the bolts to tightly secure the bracketed handles. After all, a pressure cooker is one thing you don't want to lose your grip on. And now this pressure cooker is in the home stretch. There's one last test, which they perform on randomly selected pots. They pump the pot full of air to simulate the effect of steam and confirm that this pot can handle the pressure. Pressure cookers with double walls are another innovation. They'll keep that stew warm longer to ease the pressure on the chef.